Cybercrime is a real threat, and cybercriminals are constantly attacking your inbox, hoping you'll slip up and click on a bad link and give them access to everything they need to steal from you. But make no mistake, email isn't the only way cybercriminals can attack you. Because of people's vigilance to email attacks, cybercriminals are constantly switching it up. Some of the latest attacks are browser-based. This can include fake installs of software and download links that look like the real deal. That's why it's important to look out for this type of scam and have the right security in place to protect you, as it's sometimes too easy to be tricked. For more information about what type of protection you should have on your devices, get in touch with us today.